Hari guthaitira na kurigiriria mirimu iria yumanaga na uhuthiri wa maaĩ mena giko, riu thirikari ya kaunti ya Isiolo unyitaniri na kiama gia kimabũrũri gia guthaitira ciana ni heanite ndawa cia gutheria maaĩ na matangi ma kuiga maaĩ kuri aikari a Isiolo aria mahuthagira maaĩ ma rũĩ rwa Ewaso Nyiro. Akiaria hindi ya uheani uyu gavana wa Isiolo Mohamed Kuti oigite aikari aya ni maguthomithio mihuthirire ya ndawa ici iria ciekiragwo maaĩ-inĩ na kuraga germs.
Have adequate rainfall across the county and the rains are still continuing. In fact, to some extent it's causing a lot of havoc and damage, but we are still grateful because this is better than the bad drought that we experienced.
Kuti ni athiete na mbere kuga ati thina munene wa maaĩ uria ukoretwo ugumiire tauni ya Modogashe ni ugukinya muthia thutha wa bengi ya uthii wa na mbere ya Africa kuheana ciringi milioni 100 cia kuhurana na thina uyu.
We are in a very urgent manner. The county is putting together some resources through a supplementary budget to try and support with food. Even in these urban centers, areas like Olajarole, areas, all this Bula, a lot of areas people are really suffering from hunger.
Ona kuhana uguo Kuti nioigite thirikari yake ni kunyitana na gucokaniriria kigina gia kuhurana na ng'aragu ya mahiu iria itari irahuka kaimana kurumirira riua riria riragumiire bururi. Metha-ini ya Kameme TV mohoro Gitau, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Gathugu.